Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing? And how is your day? Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing remedy that you can actually use to remove skin tag, skin white and mole. Okay, now these things are actually something that disturb our skin. Now we ladies don't want to have those things hanging here, especially for the mothers who has actually given birth. You tend to develop some skin tag, so this is an amazing remedy that will actually help you to remove it. So you can choose either of them and apply, and it is way effective. Okay, so before we go into the video, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe here, turn on your post notification and click all and share. All right, so let's go. Skin tag removal remedy. You're gonna be needing tea tree oil. Have you actually tried using tea tree oil before? It's actually very amazing and it works like magic. Yeah, this actually works like magic. Okay, all right, so what we're going to do is that you're going to grab something or a bowl, and then you're going to put in the oil, about 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 drops depending on how much you actually want, depending on if your skin tag is much. Okay, so after we put that then we're going to be needing apple cider vinegar. Okay, so you have to get an organic apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, and the one that contains the mother in it. And then when you get it, you shake it, okay, so that everything is going to mix together. And then you then have to put in about 1 cup of that into the tea tree oil. Okay, so you're going to be getting a cotton wool, and then you're going to take it, take some portion out of your cotton wool, and then you're going to be putting it into the tea tree oil. And you're going to place it onto your skin tag area. Now you're gonna begin to feel some hot sensation. Do not worry, that's how it's gonna work. Okay, now when you apply it, you have to get something that will support it. So you get a plaster. I used to have a plaster, but I can't find it right now. So you're gonna get a plaster, and then you're gonna tape it round, or a tape. If you have a tape or plaster, anyone, you can just use it to tape it round basically. Okay, okay guys, so this is it. You then have to do it this way. Okay, and then you tape it. You tape it. Now when you tape it, you would have to hold it for as long as possible, or you can even hold it for 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours will be better for this, because that's how effective this is going to be. It's going to make it really effective. And trust me guys, 3 to 5 days of applying apple cider vinegar plus tea tree oil is going to actually make this disappear a whole lot, and your skin is going to come back to life. So just give this a try. Give it a few days for it to work. Apply it judiciously, okay, and your skin tag will be gone. So let me show you another step in which you're going to use to remove your skin tag. That's if you do not have this particular ingredients. Okay, So you're going to be needing to use banana. Now banana skin is very helpful when it comes to removal of skin tag and when it comes to removal of pigments on the skin. Okay, so just the skin is basically what we're going to be needing. So I have this that I've actually already removed, but my camera didn't pick that, so I will just have to remove it again. Okay, so this is my banana skin, and I'll basically just peel it up like this. Just like that. Okay, so after which would have to make sure that it is smooth, just like that. Then we'll have to now put it inside a bowl. Okay, so to make this work effectively, you're going to be needing to use garlic. Okay, so if you're using banana skin, you would equally be needing garlic for this to work really well and remove all of your skin tag. Okay, so what you do is this: you peel it up really good. So after which you've peeled this off, then you would have to shred the garlic. So we'll have to shred the garlic, and then we'll have to make it smooth so that it could work really well. Now we're going to pound it. Pound it to be very smooth. Okay, so after which we've pounded it, then you can actually just put that in. Okay, so now what you do is that after that you have to cliff-in this. Okay, use a cliff-in, because when you use a cliff-in it's gonna stay. Okay, then you cover it up for some hours. Yeah, it's gonna turn like black, but of course the inside of it is not gonna be black, but it's gonna get in, it's going to induce together. It's gonna make it really working, and the smell is gonna be different. Okay, now what you do now is to then grab your skin tag remedy removal, and then you put it on your skin tag area. If you have one skin tag, well, be rest assured that this is going to help you to remove all of those skin tag, skin what, mole, and tiny ones, literally. So if you have very tiny ones and they are actually much, if they are not under the eye area, then you can actually do it this way. You know, rub it this way, spread this evenly, cover it up just like this. You spread it like that on that particular place in which you have your skin tag. Okay, so spread it like this, but do not apply this under your eye, okay, because it's literally gonna burn. Okay, so don't apply it under your eye, but if it's on your face, you can apply this and spread it through. Let it sit there and play with it, you know, let it sit there for a long time, and then you can actually remove it. You can repeat this treatment for at most 3 days. After 3 days, your skin tag is literally gone. Now before 3 days, okay, if you do it the right way that I've just finished showing you, your skin tag will definitely fall off. Okay guys, so that's it. You can actually choose from the two of them and apply it. Okay, just like I've shown you, if you have some tiny moles or what or skin tag, you can apply it that way, or if you have some big ones here and there, you can apply it that way. In the space of days, the skin tag is going to fall off and your skin is going to restore to the normal, you know, you. Okay, so if you do love this video, thumbs up here, subscribe here, turn on the post notification and click all, and share here. Make sure you share. All right, and I'll see you again. Bye. Stay beautiful.